Alright, so when you're done with an assignment and you're ready to submit it, you want to get some feedback, you're trying to turn it in. The best thing to do is to push it back to your remote repository. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So let's say that I came in, I haven't done the homework yet, but so let's just say that I modified something. I'm just going to add a new line. So now when I type in get status, it'll tell me, oh, you modified the tip calculator. So what I need to do is I need to add the tip calculator, and we saw earlier that we can also just say dot. That's typically what I do. So that's going to stage those changes. So then we can say get commit with the -m for the message, and we're going to say completed the tip calculator. So this is kind of like what you would do when you're done. Then after you have staged and committed, we could type git log and we'd see a history. We'd see that we completed the tip calculator. That's our last commit. Then we can push that back to the remote server. So we're going to say git push origin master. And hope this all makes sense from the git video that you've already watched. So git push origin master. I'm going to type in the username. Ooh, I think I messed that up. Okay. Then what we're going to find is that it's back on here. So it's all going to be on your remote repository, and you'll see that I've got here completed the tip calculator. So then when you're done, just go ahead and copy this URL and then email it to me with a message saying, hey, I completed tip calculator. Why don't you go ahead and take a look? I'll be able to come into your repository and click on tip calculator and look at your code. I'll be able to comment on that code and send you feedback if that's what you're interested in. So anyway, this is just going to be a good way to turn in those assignments. You can also, with the questions, from the questions that come along with each lesson, you can digitally create the answers to this and email them to me. However you want to get them to me is fine. That's probably the easiest. It's probably easiest if you just maybe paste these into an email and then answer them, however you want to do that. So you could also just do it in whatever program you want, take a screenshot. I don't really care how you get that to me, so whatever works best for you. So anyway, that's how you will submit all of that, and we'll go from there.